Aloha! Today I'm making a Korean style shakshuka. Yes, you heard me right. I promise this fusion is so good. It is spicy, it is rich in flavor. So ditch your PB&J, have some seasoned food. Try this for breakfast. First, dice some vegetables with my spectacular chopping skill. I'm using half a bell pepper, 1 tomato, and some mushrooms. In a small pan, I'm going to saute some garlic and onions. Add 1 tablespoon of gochujang and 1 tablespoon of gochugaru to the pan. Toss in my bell pepper and mushrooms. Stir, stir, stir. Tomato goes in. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, some water, and some dried parsley. Cover and let simmer for, 5 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the bread. Use good bread, okay? Not bread. Even my dog wouldn't eat bread. Look at my fancy toaster. Voila! I'll dig 2 holes in all that goodness and deposit 2 eggs in there. Oh my god, I love eggs. Thank you, chicken. Thank you, all the chicken in the world. How could I live without y'all? Cover and let simmer for 2 minutes. Crack some black pepper and top with some cilantro. Ooh, look at that. Cheers.